my channel. So today we're going to do a makeup tutorial video. So first we're going to start with the skincare. So here I'm using the plum green tea toner to tone my face. It's a very nice toner. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you like more such videos, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. So I'm just rubbing it on my face with a cotton pad. Now it's done, and we're going to do another. Let it dry for a few seconds. Here comes the second step, which is applying the lip balm. It's a very important step before doing makeup. Second step is done, and we will start with the another step, which is applying oil on the face. Here I'm applying this oil to hydrate my skin. Now let's move on to another step, which is doing makeup, and I love this step. Let's start with removing the excess oil from the face. Now it's done, and we'll start with using the loose powder on the face. Now here I'm not using any sort of base like foundation or concealer. I'm just applying loose powder. It's just a regular makeup, so yeah, you don't need. Here I am going to contour my face with this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I am going to use these two shades, light brown and the dark brown shade, to contour my face. I am just contouring my cheekbones. Look how beautiful that looks. That blends really well. Palette is really nice. You can buy this palette if you want to invest in a palette which is multi-purpose, and it is a multi-purpose palette. I'm just contouring my jawline. Now I will contour my forehead also. It's time for applying the blush. I'm using this peach shade from this palette. It's a really nice and natural shade for a regular makeup. Now we'll blend the blush with the help of beauty blender for a natural look. I will apply the makeup fixer now. It's a really important step. And I do this before applying the highlighter. This step just makes the highlighter more shiny and appealing. Now I will apply the highlighter. I'm using the champagne shade. This is a very beautiful shade. edge of the nose and Cupid's bow, chin and forehead. That looks really nice. I'm just loving the look so far, it's looking so good. It's time for doing the eyebrows. I'm just brushing them. I'm not going to fill the eyebrows because I just love the way it looks. Now it's done. Let's apply the lipstick and let's move to eyeliner. I can't apply the eyeliner like looking into the camera. So yeah, I'm just applying looking into the mirror. Eyeliner is done and I have applied mascara also. Let's look to the beauty shots. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go and hit the subscribe button. Like the video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. So yeah, that's it for the video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.